happens in the body, inside the body, when the device is applied?
I guess many is wondering of action, of mechanism of the device. And of course, a lot of it is our IP rights. I will never reveal it 100% what is actually happening, why this work. First of all, we work with extreme high frequency fields. We are working up in several hundred gigahertz when we are applying devices on the body. This device is actually very, very unique. I say like this is probably the most advanced medical device that exists today, and we are extremely proud to have this registered for professional use only in more than 3 continents. So we work very closely with different Ministry of Health and implementing now this year in several different hospitals and bigger facilities. And the reason is it doesn't contain any chemicals whatsoever. Nothing enters the body. We are not curing anything. We are normalizing and optimizing the human body to make sure it can heal itself. To do that, we need to understand the neurological biochemical function. So what happens is when we apply this one on the human body, this is a very, very specific material. Even if you take one of these devices and try to analyze it, you can never see what it contains 100%. We guarantee that, we tried it. So you apply it on the skin and the human infrared heat will activate the device immediately. What happening, depending what device you're using, is actually stimulating different kind of cells membranes. It can be the neuron, it can be a resource, it can be an organ. But these cells and these membranes, or these chemical cells, be activated immediately. So what this frequency is doing, and then you use other devices and combine them to stimulate other membranes, they start to create the biochemical fusions. These fusions, depending on what you're using, is immediately activated. The nerve system works so fast, so you will notice the difference immediately. The thing here is, if I use one device for resource, I can get something to improve a lot. When I start to understand the anti-inflammatory, the different devices, I can get better results. And this is the whole thing, what we're teaching here, is to understand the neurological biochemical action of the human body, to be able to connect the different resources and organs to create a normalization. So by the infrared heat, it's releasing the neurological frequency and it starts immediately. It's important here that we have the patient is super hydrated. The better hydration, the faster result. And the patient needs to continue that. We also recommend a special diet, stay away from sugar, alcohol, whatever. In the meantime, they're doing the treatment for best possible result, which is very, very important. So this is what the device is doing in short term. If I would take this in the long term, we will probably sit here till next week.